Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and in this video I'm showing you how to create a store within Fulfill Engine. In the previous video we went ahead and created this account for P&I, and so from the account view we're going to click Create a Store. Now we can name it, and for Stripe billing description this is going to be what appears on the receipts. So we're just going to go ahead and put in Kaizink. Create the store. So a couple of things that we're going to turn on here: allow 3PL. This will allow us to have items on there that aren't embroidered or direct to film or garment apparel items. So we could put like promotional items, and we're working towards putting things like business cards and banners into these 3PL items. We're also going to check allow for loss / bill later. And that is it. So go ahead and click Save. Warehouse is going to be Impec. Hit Save. And so now that the store is created, what we're going to do is just scroll down to branding right here. And from here, we're going to go ahead and upload a logo. So if you hit that pencil, now you can select a file to upload. Got one right here ready to go. So we'll go ahead and add that. Save. Hero image, this would be the banner on their web store. Links, we aren't going to touch that. The email, so this is going to be the contact email address. So we're just going to go ahead and put in our sales email address, as well as the email from name. We'll just do Kaizink team and set that. And so now the store is set up and you are ready to start adding products and categories. Thanks for watching.